sister's 2003 Chrysler Sebring I sold her. She's having taillight issues. I already did this side. Tried to do a video, it didn't work out. So I'm going to do this side. On these cars, it's actually really easy to get the back taillights, which is surprising because most everything on them is hard to work on. But all you got to do is get up in here. Hopefully my camera will show it. There's a tab right here I already pulled out, and you just take your carpeting and fold that down. And you've got this wing nut, a wing nut up on top, and one in the very back. You spin those off. You're supposed to unplug this and take it out, but I couldn't get that to work. So I'm going to set you guys down, take the wing nuts out, get the tail light loose, and then I'll show you which bulb I'm replacing. Okay, now after your wing nuts are off, it literally just falls out. And again, I can't get that loose, but if you guys can see it, this up here should be your marker light, turn signals, and backup light possibly, and then here's your brake light. And to change that out, all you got to do is twist it and pull it out. Pull the bulb out, go over, grab your new bulb, stick it back in. And then it should slide back together just as easy as it came out. There you go. That's how you change the brake light on a, I believe, 01 to 06 Chrysler Sebring. Thanks for watching.